Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Julia Roberts, and this is Senior Men's Health. I have a conversation in my office almost every single day that starts with a man, sometimes in his 50s, sometimes in his 70s, saying something like, "Doctor, I'm just not what I used to be." The symptoms are always the same: a quiet decline in energy, a frustrating loss of that youthful, spontaneous vigor, and a growing fear that a part of his life, a very important part, is over. The topic is almost always framed in terms of a mechanical failure, a plumbing problem, a simple lack of blood flow, and while that is a part of the story, it is a symptom, not the root cause. I want to tell you right now that it is not a foregone conclusion. Your body is not broken, you just need to give it the right tools. And the solution is not a pill, it's not a medical procedure, it is a simple 5-minute ritual that you can perform in the privacy of your own home with an ingredient you can pick up at any health food store. This is a hack that urologists like me support, not as a miracle cure, but as a fundamental, foundational act of self care. It addresses the underlying issues, and it gets your system back into a state of youthful, vibrant health. I am going to show you a specific penile massage technique and introduce you to a few key oils that will make it incredibly effective. This is about physical maintenance. It is about a direct, hands-on approach to your intimate health. And by the end of this video, you will have a simple, daily habit that can profoundly change not just your mornings, but your entire sense of self-worth. First, let's get a little scientific, but I promise to keep it very simple and easy to understand. An erection is a beautiful biological event. It is not just about blood flow, it is about a complex form of vascular communication. Your penile tissue, specifically the two main cylindrical tubes called the corpora cavernosa, is a remarkable network of spongy, highly responsive blood vessels. An erection happens when these tubes fill with blood, but they cannot fill with blood unless the vessels leading into them receive a clear, unambiguous signal from your nervous system to fully relax and expand. This vital process of expansion is called vasodilation, and it is commanded by a crucial signaling molecule called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the internal messenger, the very molecule that tells your body's plumbing system to open wide and let the blood rush in. As we age, a number of insidious factors conspire to sabotage this entire elegant process. Chronic low-grade stress, a sedentary lifestyle, and a diet high in processed foods and sugars all contribute to a dangerous state of systemic inflammation and oxidative stress. You can think of this process as being like rust building up inside your pipes. It stiffens the walls of your arteries, damages their delicate inner lining, and cripples your body's ability to produce and use that vital nitric oxide. The command signal from your nervous system gets weaker and less effective, and the blood vessels themselves become less pliable and responsive. It's not a complete sudden failure. It's a quiet, slow, and frustrating process of degradation that happens over years, often without you even realizing it. Our 5-minute massage ritual is a direct intervention designed to do 3 specific and powerful things all at once to reverse this damaging process. First, it is designed to stimulate nitric oxide production. The physical act of massage is not just about rubbing, it provides a targeted, gentle pressure and stretching that directly stimulates the endothelial cells lining your blood vessels. These cells are your body's nitric oxide factory. The physical stimulus directly triggers a biochemical response, telling these cells to release more nitric oxide, encouraging vasodilation right at the source, right where it's needed most. This is a form of direct non-pharmacological encouragement for your body's natural processes. Second, the ritual is meant to enhance local blood flow. By manually and purposefully moving blood into the penile tissue, you are forcing the vessels to expand in a controlled and gentle manner. This is a form of physical therapy for your blood vessels. This repeated, intentional expansion improves their elasticity and encourages better overall circulation over time. Think of it like stretching a stiff muscle to make it more pliable. This deliberate, hands-on approach helps to awaken dormant vessels and reinforces the pathways that are so crucial for a healthy, responsive erection. Third, the ritual is designed to nourish the tissue. The right oil is not just a lubricant, it is a vital part of the therapeutic process. When you use an oil rich in specific fatty acids and vitamins, you are providing deep nourishment directly to the tissue. The skin absorbs these compounds, which are essential for cellular repair and health. These powerful lipids and antioxidants help to rebuild and maintain the integrity of the cell membranes, fighting the aging process from the outside in. The oil also reduces friction, ensuring that the physical act of massage is smooth, enjoyable, and gentle on this sensitive tissue. This entire process is a direct, hands on, and proactive act of maintenance. It is an act of reclaiming your body's natural function, not by forcing it with a chemical, but by supporting its fundamental biology. And this is why it is a fundamental part of a urologist-approved approach to long term intimate health. We see the decline in vitality every single day, and we know that the best solution is often the one that empowers the man to take back control of his own health. This ritual is that first, crucial step. Choosing the right oil for this ritual is a critical step, and it is about much more than just lubrication. It's about providing the best possible direct nutrition to the tissue. You should never use a synthetic oil or any product that contains harsh chemicals, as your skin is your body's largest organ and it absorbs everything you put on it. The goal is to nourish and support, not to irritate. I have a few simple natural oil recommendations that are widely available and incredibly effective, each with a slightly different benefit. First, let's talk about the original and still highly effective option, castor oil. This is a thick, viscous oil derived from the castor bean. Its unique, dense properties make it an excellent choice for a deep, penetrating massage. Castor oil contains a potent fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When you use castor oil, its thickness allows for a slow, deliberate, and deeply satisfying massage that can reach deep into the tissues. This promotes a thorough release of tension and encourages lymphatic drainage, flushing out built up toxins and fluid. It's a fantastic option for men who are looking to directly address chronic tissue stiffness and a lack of elasticity. The only downside is that it is a bit sticky and can be messy, but the profound benefits are undeniable. This is a time tested method for physical recovery and restoration, used for generations. Second, for a lighter, more universal, and incredibly versatile option, consider jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is technically a liquid wax, but its molecular structure is almost identical to the natural sebum that your skin produces. This means that your skin instantly recognizes it and absorbs it beautifully and completely. It is also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, and it is almost completely hypoallergenic, making it a perfect choice for sensitive skin. Jojoba oil is packed with powerful nutrients like vitamin E and B complex vitamins, which are both absolutely crucial for skin health and long-term tissue repair. This is the gentle, everyday choice. Its light, clean texture makes for a smooth, pleasant massage, and it is perfect for men who prefer a less messy option. Jojoba oil is fantastic for nourishing the skin, reducing friction, and ensuring the tissue remains soft and pliable. Third, a very popular and widely available choice is coconut oil. Coconut oil is universally praised for its powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its high concentration of a fatty acid called lauric acid. It is an excellent, affordable, and incredibly pure option that provides a smooth, non-greasy glide. The key benefit here is its purity and its simplicity. Coconut oil can also be a wonderful carrier for other, more concentrated oils that you might want to add, like pure vitamin E oil. However, do be aware that coconut oil can solidify at room temperature, which may require you to warm it in your hands before you begin the ritual. This is a very effective and accessible choice for men who want a simple, pure oil that provides foundational support. Finally, while not a massage oil on its own, I highly recommend a powerful boost of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a crucial antioxidant and a powerful tissue healer. It is widely known to improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of scars, and support cellular repair. Adding just a few drops of pure vitamin E oil to your chosen massage oil, whether it's jojoba or coconut oil, is like adding a superpower to your ritual. It provides a direct hit of healing nourishment that your intimate tissue, which is incredibly delicate and vital, will absolutely benefit from. This is the ultimate finishing touch for your 5-minute routine, ensuring that you are not just stimulating, but also repairing and rejuvenating your body from the outside in. This is how simple this ritual truly is. It takes no more than 5 minutes of your time, and you should make it a non-negotiable part of your nightly routine right before you get into bed. I want you to understand that this isn't a rush. It's a moment of deliberate, mindful self-care, a quiet commitment to your own well-being. First, preparation is key. Before you begin, ensure your hands are clean and the area is clean. Get your chosen oil and pour a small amount into the palm of one hand. Take a moment to gently rub your palms together to warm the oil up slightly. This simple step makes the oil more receptive to your skin and makes the massage far more enjoyable and effective. Now, take a moment to breathe. This is not a mechanical checklist. It is a quiet, deliberate ritual. Let go of the day's stresses. This is about connecting with your body and giving it the attention it needs to heal and restore itself. The massage itself consists of 3 key phases, each with a specific purpose. Phase 1, the vascular warm-up. Start with gentle, full hand strokes along the length of the shaft, from the base all the way to the tip. Do not use your thumbs or an aggressive grip. The goal here is a gentle, consistent pressure to encourage blood flow and wake up the tissue. Perform these strokes for about 1 full minute. As you do, you will feel a natural rush of warmth and a subtle increase in blood flow. This is a crucial first step that prepares the vessels for the deeper, more specific work to follow. Phase 2, the nitric oxide rub. This is where we get specific. Take your thumb and index finger and form a gentle O shape around the shaft, right at the base. Maintain a gentle but firm pressure, enough to apply a little tension, but not enough to cause any discomfort. Now, slowly slide your fingers up the shaft towards the head of the penis. When you reach the top, release your grip and start again from the bottom. Do this for about 2 minutes. The intention here is to encourage a controlled, sustained rush of blood into the penile tissue, which helps to stimulate the nitric oxide producing cells within the vessel walls. This is a deliberate, mindful motion that supports both blood flow and long-term tissue elasticity. Phase 3, the foundational release. Finally, you will focus on the base of the structure. Use your fingertips to gently massage the area where your penis meets your pubic bone. This area contains a lot of dense connective tissue and blood vessels that can become constricted and tense over time. Apply gentle circular pressure to this area for about 1 minute. This helps to release that deep-seated tension and encourages blood flow from a foundational physiological level. It's a key part of the ritual that ensures the entire system is being addressed. As you finish the ritual, take a moment to simply rest your hand on the area and feel the warmth. Feel the natural, subtle energy that has been awakened, and that is it. A simple 5-minute ritual that has the potential to change everything. This is not a sexual act. This is a physiological act. This is about physical maintenance, just as you would massage your shoulders or your knees to relieve tension. You are simply giving your intimate health the same attention and care that you give to the rest of your body. So why would a urologist recommend something so simple? Because the vast majority of intimate health issues in men are not just about a single, sudden problem. They are the result of years of neglect, of poor circulation, of chronic stress, and of stiffening tissue. Doctors are trained to prescribe a pill to treat a symptom, but as a holistic-minded doctor, I know that true health comes from addressing the root cause. This massage ritual is a foundational intervention. It is non-pharmacological. It is non-invasive. It is something you can do every single day that supports your body's natural function, rather than relying on a chemical to force a response. It is a powerful act of proactive self-care that helps prevent the problems from getting worse. And for many men, it can reverse the decline. I must also add a crucial disclaimer. If you are experiencing severe or persistent issues, you must consult a medical professional to rule out any underlying health conditions, such as heart disease or diabetes, which are often indicated by intimate health issues. This massage is a fantastic complementary tool, not a replacement for professional medical advice. The benefits of this ritual go beyond just the physical. It's a powerful act of connection to your own body. It reduces performance anxiety, promotes a sense of well-being, and it is a consistent, reliable signal of your own health and vitality. When you feel a profound sense of wellness, it shows in everything you do. So, what will your partner's reaction be? It will be a mix of pleasant surprise, relief, and deep appreciation. The return of spontaneous function isn't just a sign of your physical health, it's a sign of your mental and emotional well-being. It signals that you are less stressed, more rested, and more at peace. It removes a potential source of unspoken anxiety that may have been present in the relationship. There is a wonderful, unsaid comfort in that signal. It means you are still in the game. It's an easy, non-demanding, natural form of intimacy that can start the day in a beautiful, confident way. You are a man who is calm, who is rested, and who is still capable. That daily physical affirmation will not just change your mornings, it will change the dynamic of your entire relationship because you will carry that sense of vitality and confidence with you everywhere you go. So tonight, try this simple 5-minute ritual. Don't expect a miracle tomorrow morning. It's a process of retraining your body. But after a week or two of consistent practice, look for the subtle changes. The tension will ease, your sleep will feel deeper, and one morning you will wake up to a very unmistakable and very welcome sign that your body is back online, a confident signal that says, I am a well man. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Senior Men's Health for more simple science-backed solutions, and share this video with a friend who might need a little nightly reset. I'm Dr. Julia Roberts, and I'll see you next time.